All right, let's get this oil change done. 2022 Mustang GT with the 5.0. In order to do an oil change on this, you need 10 quarts of 5W30. We're using Mobil 1. This is the M1-212A. Man, this 5.0, and look at this shit. What is going on right here? Look at this neglect. This is car abuse, man. Straight car abuse on the 5.0. Look at this, it's crying. Look at all this. It's everywhere. I'm about to take care of this. All right, that looks way better. First things first, we're gonna open this up so the oil can drain a little bit easier. All right, on these models, you're not gonna have any bolts or any tools you need. It's gonna be a little plastic piece like this, yellow. You're just gonna turn it counterclockwise. It's gonna give you a little bit of resistance at first. Make sure you have it ready. And then there's just gonna be a little plug that you just pull out just like that. Should be 10 quarts, so it's a lot. Make sure you got enough container for it. It's gonna be a bad day if you don't. All right, now we're gonna wipe this down. Get this nice and clean. You always want to inspect this gasket right here, or this ring, O-ring. Make sure that's good. Get that nicely cleaned up. Good to go. Definitely get a little bit of engine wear. You can see a little bit of brass in there. It's probably from one of the rings. Maybe, I don't know. You can tell it's definitely some kind of metal though. I don't know where it's from. All right, when you come up from the front of the car, you got your front bumper right here. You got a skid plate that's up in the front. The second panel we got to take off. Your filter is going to be on the driver's side. It's going to be right beneath this panel, or right above. You're going to be using a 7mm, and it's a 6-sided shoulder. All right, now if the last tech did his job right, this should be able to be loosened up by hand. Shouldn't be on there tight at all. Make sure you got your hole pin behind you. And the way they set this up, unfortunately, is in a really bad spot. It gets up all on your wiring. Let that drain out real quick. Now with this filter, I'm gonna pull it out. Take off this plastic right here, and we're gonna oil up this gasket to make sure it's nice and lubed up so it doesn't dry out on us and creates a nice perfect seal. Then we can take our new filter, same spot we just pulled that one from, start screwing it on. Nice and hand tight. Down, get all this cleaned up. All right, now we can take these 7mm bolts right here. Line all that up. That down so nothing gets up in there. All right, in order to change out the air filter, we're going with the STP brand because my boy's cheap. And then we're just gonna pop this filter right here. You got 2 clips. We're gonna unscrew this right here first. Loosen that up. Pop it off. Boom. So basically what we're working with is 2 clips, and you got to remove the intake box or intake boot right here. That gets us to the filter. Looks pretty decent. A new one up in here. Just like that. Wiggle this back up in here. Put the boot back on. Goes back on. Our clips on. 1 clip. Two clip, just like that. Just come back in and tighten that up. And that's how you do an oil change on a 2022 Mustang GT with the 5.0 and the air filter swap.